Today we're going to look at the Shure MV88 Plus microphone kit and how to set it up. The MV88 Plus kit comes with a mic clip, cables, a phone clamp, a tripod, and the MV88 Plus microphone. Snap the microphone into the mic clip. As this is a stereo mic, pay attention to the orientation of the microphone. Left or L should be on the left, and right or R should be on the right. Now attach the mic clip to the tripod. The kit can be set up in a number of different ways, such as a pistol grip. You can also attach the phone directly to the tripod for a more video-oriented setup, or attach the mic directly to the phone for greater mobility. For interviews and voiceovers, I'd recommend having the mic directly mounted on the tripod. Connect the micro USB end of the cable into your microphone and the lightning connector into your iPhone. If using an Android phone, use a compatible cable with your device. Now plug your headphones into the MV88 Plus. Download the Shure Plus Motiv app from the Apple App Store or Google Play. Links for these are in the description below. Once the app is installed, tap on the icon to launch the application. When the application detects the microphone, the LED on the back of the MV88 Plus will turn green. The slider labeled Mic Gain controls the level of the microphone. On the top portion of the screen, you'll see a headphone icon. When you click on that icon, that controls your monitor mix. This controls what you're hearing in your headphones, either the mic or anything playing back from your phone. Generally speaking, leaving this right in the middle is perfectly fine. Swipe down and below Mic Gain, you'll see 5 different modes. Tap on the middle icon, which will display as Flat Mode. Directly beneath Modes, you'll see a number of icons representing microphone patterns. Swipe left or right until you choose Monocardioid. When you swipe up in the app, you'll see a number of other options. I suggest leaving the limiter on, the compressor off, and the high pass filter set to 75 Hz. The EQ is off by default, and I suggest leaving it deactivated. This is essentially your mono preset. You can save all of these settings by tapping on Save. After naming your preset, tap on Save in the dialog box. Settings for a stereo setup are almost identical. Just swipe on the pattern icons until you see Stereo. Tapping and dragging on the black nodes will allow you to choose just how wide your stereo recording will be. The differences are pretty subtle. When you find something that you like, click on Save to save a stereo preset. Presets can easily be recalled by tapping on the arrow to the right of the Save box. Choose the preset that you want and tap on Apply, and then OK. Once the preset is loaded, those settings will be in the microphone itself. As a result, those settings will continue to work in other applications and devices. Now that we're all set up, look at the bottom of the application and tap on the icon that says Record. Mic gain levels can't be part of a preset, so those will need to be adjusted every time we record something new. In the record window, the meters are on the right-hand side of the display. You can open the mic gain control by tapping on the icon of the 3 faders just below the meters. You should raise the levels as loud as they can get without the meters turning red. If your meters are periodically in the yellow range, you're in a good place to begin. Raising the mic gain to the right will increase the loudness of the recording. Lowering the mic gain to the left will lower the recording levels. You can close the gain control by tapping on the 3 faders icon again. Before recording, look just below the recording display and you'll see 2 values in blue. Make sure the item on the left is set to WAV and the item on the right is set to 16/48 kHz. This makes sure we're recording in the desired format and sample rate. To start recording, tap the large red circle in the bottom center of the app. To stop recording, tap the two vertical red lines, which means pause. To continue recording, just press the red circle again. To save your recording, tap the word Save. After tapping Save, you'll see a dialog box appear along the bottom of the screen. Tapping this box will allow you to rename the recording or delete it. If the pop-up disappears before you can tap it, no worries. The recording is still saved with an app-generated name and is accessible through the Library tab along the bottom of the app. To transfer your recording off of your phone, you can do this from the Library tab. Tap on the file that you'd like to transfer, and along the bottom of the screen, you'll see three dots next to the play button. Click on those three dots and choose Share. From here, you can choose a number of preset share options, but if you're looking for Google Drive, click on More. From here, you'll gain access to a number of different apps on your phone. If you see the Google Drive icon, tap on it. If you don't, scroll through your icons until you see the option for More and tap on that. Here, tap on Google Drive. Once this is open, you can choose which Google account you're connected to, what folder in that account you'd like to upload your file to, and whether or not you'd like to share it with anybody. After choosing from these options, click the Upload button. You'll now be able to access these files in your Google Drive, where you can download them into your computer or wherever else you'd like to work with them. Of course, using Google Drive is just a suggestion. If you'd rather use Dropbox, AirDrop, or any other number of mechanisms with which to transfer a file off of your phone, feel free to use whatever works best for you. When recording interviews and voiceovers, you'll want your microphone set up to record monophonically, and when recording ambient sound, you'll want the mic to record in stereo. A few last words on mic placement. Never speak directly into the microphone. Keep the mic pointed towards your mouth, but off-axis or off to the side. This will avoid plosives or popping sounds created by the airflow coming out of your mouth while speaking. Also, pay attention to the distance of the mic to the sound source. When recording voices, try to keep the mic within 4 to 6 inches of the mouth. This will ensure a good clean recording of the voice with minimal background noise. And that's how you use the Shure MV88 Plus and Motiv application.